Guys, now I'll show you today neck grab self-defense technique that you have never seen before. And you can defend yourself within 1 second. And this technique is different from the all of the techniques. You have seen a lot of videos on YouTube, but this technique is very different from the other techniques that you have never seen before. So let's start the technique. If a person will grab your neck in street fight, then must watch very carefully. You can see if you do resist or do any technique like this. During the technique, his fingers can injure your neck, his nails. And if you try to other side, then his thumb also can damage you. So here you have to use a technique that does not harm for you, and he will also under your control immediately. So watch very carefully. Let's start. When you grab your neck, then without any resisting, without any movement, you will bring your arm like this position as you can see in the video and control his wrist with your upper arm and between under your arm like this way. You can see when you do this, his wrist will be twist and he will immediately fall down. And also here you can do lock here. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Yes. 1, push, 2, 3, from here. This, lock, and down. You can. Guys, now show you this technique, fast motion. Yes. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, more interesting techniques, then subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.